In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it available at the top. Select Freeform and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to minimalize it, use this icon of a line at the top left corner, and then to access it again, tap on the bubble. If you want to use it in full screen view, you can click on this icon with two-headed arrow, also at the top left corner. And to close it completely, this X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!